U.S. military unveils world's deadliest fighter, the SR-71 Aurora. Date, February 2, 2025. Location, United States military base. Exact location classified. Introduction. On February 2, 2025, the U.S. military purportedly unveiled the SR-91 Aurora, a hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft that has been the subject of speculation and intrigue since the 1980s. This event has reignited debates about the existence of advanced military aircraft and the secrets held by the U.S. government. The Aurora is described as a cutting-edge fighter with capabilities that surpass current technology, leading many to label it the world's deadliest fighter. Background of the SR-91 Aurora. The Aurora legend began in the mid-1980s when the term was mentioned in a U.S. budget document related to black aircraft production. This sparked a flurry of speculation regarding its existence and capabilities. Reports from reputable sources including the Los Angeles Times and Aviation Week and Space Technology suggested that the Aurora name was linked to advanced reconnaissance projects aimed at replacing the aging Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. Alleged specifications: speed, capable of flying at speeds exceeding Mach 5. Stealth, designed with advanced stealth technology to evade radar detection. Versatility, intended for various reconnaissance missions including deep penetration into hostile territories. Historical context. The first mention of the Aurora in a budget document occurred in 1985, where it was tied to a $455 million allocation for black aircraft projects. By the late 1980s, multiple sightings of unidentified aircraft with unusual characteristics were reported, often attributed to the Aurora. However, the U.S. government has consistently denied the existence of such an aircraft, with former Skunk Works director Ben Rich labeling it a myth. The unveiling event. The recent videos claiming the military has unveiled the SR-91 Aurora have gone viral, claiming that the aircraft is operational and represents a significant technological leap. The event itself was shrouded in secrecy, with limited access granted to the press and public. However, those who attended described a sleek futuristic aircraft that appeared to defy conventional design logic. Public reaction. The unveiling has been met with mixed reactions. Some experts and military enthusiasts express excitement about the potential capabilities of the SR-91 Aurora, while skeptics question the authenticity of both the aircraft and the information surrounding it. Comments from viewers of the unveiling videos reflect a blend of awe and skepticism, with some asserting that if the military is showing it now, it could be obsolete. Theories and speculations. The SR-91 Aurora has become a focal point for various theories regarding advanced military technology. Some speculate that the U.S. has been developing hypersonic capabilities for decades, possibly even using the Aurora as a cover for more advanced projects. Others suggest that the recent unveiling is a strategic move to intimidate adversaries while simultaneously testing public reaction to advanced military technology. Key points of speculation. 1. Hypersonic capabilities. The Aurora is suggested to be capable of speeds beyond Mach 5, which would allow it to evade enemy missiles and strike targets before they have a chance to react. 2. Stealth technology. Advanced materials and design techniques purportedly make the Aurora nearly undetectable by radar, enhancing its reconnaissance capabilities. 3. Historical sightings. Numerous anecdotal sightings and reports have contributed to the mystique surrounding the Aurora, with some claiming to have witnessed the aircraft performing maneuvers that defy conventional aviation logic. Government denials and counterarguments. Despite the excitement surrounding the SR-91 Aurora, the U.S. government has maintained its stance, denying the existence of such an aircraft. Critics argue that the lack of concrete evidence and official acknowledgement fuels conspiracy theories and public fascination. The debate about the authenticity of the SR-91 Aurora highlights broader issues regarding transparency in military operations and the public's trust in government disclosures. Notable counterarguments. Existential claims. Many enthusiasts argue that the Aurora is operational based on circumstantial evidence and reports of sightings, while skeptics point to government denials and lack of concrete evidence to label it a myth. Technical details. The purported capabilities of the Aurora, such as flying faster than light and advanced stealth features, are often considered exaggerated or speculative by experts in aviation technology. Conclusion. The unveiling of the State Route 91 Aurora has reignited interest in military aviation and the secrets that may lie within the U.S. defense establishment. While some celebrate the potential advancements represented by the Aurora, others caution against jumping to conclusions without substantial evidence. As the debate continues, the intrigue surrounding the State Route 91 Aurora serves as a reminder of the intersection between technology, military strategy, and public perception. The legacy of the Aurora, whether real or myth, reflects the enduring fascination with advanced military technology and the lengths to which governments may go to protect their secrets. The future of hypersonic flight and military aviation may yet hold surprises, but for now, the State Route 91 Aurora remains both a symbol of innovation and a subject of mystery. Counterintuitive information. 1. Existence versus myth. While many sources present the State Route 91 Aurora as a cutting-edge hypersonic aircraft that has recently been unveiled, the consensus among credible sources, including former military officials and aviation experts, is that it is more likely a myth or a codename associated with other projects, such as the B-2 bomber. This stark contrast between the sensationalized portrayal in videos and the more skeptical view in authoritative references highlights a discrepancy in public perception versus expert opinion. 2. Technological advancements versus obsolescence. The portrayal of the Aurora as a world's deadliest fighter that is at the forefront of military technology appears to be at odds with the notion that it may already be obsolete or irrelevant. Comments from viewers in the video sources suggest that if the military is showcasing it now, it implies that it has been surpassed by more advanced technologies, which counters the narrative of it being the apex of military aviation. 3. Public fascination versus government denial. The overwhelming public fascination with the Aurora, fueled by anecdotal sightings and speculative accounts, runs counter to the consistent denials from the U.S. government regarding its existence. This dichotomy raises questions about trust in governmental disclosures and the public's tendency to embrace conspiracy theories or myths surrounding military capabilities. 4. Hypersonic capabilities versus practical development. While the videos assert that the Aurora can achieve speeds exceeding Mach 5 and has advanced stealth capabilities, credible sources indicate that there is no substantial evidence that such an aircraft has been developed or is operational. The claim that it could outrun missiles is exaggerated, reflecting a common trope in military fiction rather than a grounded technological reality. 5. Funding anomalies versus concrete evidence. The speculation surrounding budget allocations for black aircraft production leading to the Aurora legend is based on circumstantial evidence and conjecture. In contrast, experts have noted that these budget anomalies could be attributed to various classified programs without confirming the existence of the Aurora specifically. This illustrates a tendency to draw sweeping conclusions from limited data, leading to a mythologization of military projects. 6. Sighting reports versus lack of correlation. Numerous sightings and anecdotal reports of aircraft resembling the Aurora have been cited as evidence of its existence. However, many of these reports lack a direct link to any specific aircraft type or program. This highlights a cognitive bias where people ascribe significance to unverified experiences, which can perpetuate myths despite the absence of concrete evidence. 7. Cultural impact versus technological reality. The Aurora has become an almost legendary figure in popular culture, influencing video games, films, and conspiracy theories. However, the gap between this cultural phenomenon and the technological reality of military aviation demonstrates how myths can overshadow factual developments and create a narrative that diverges from actual capabilities. These counterintuitive points reveal the complexities surrounding the discourse on the State Route 91 Aurora, highlighting how public perception, expert analysis, and cultural narratives can diverge significantly. The report on the State Route 91 Aurora presents a fascinating exploration of one of the most enduring myths in military aviation. While many individuals focus on its hypersonic capabilities or the tantalizing anecdotes surrounding its potential sightings, there are critical aspects of the report that warrant deeper examination and could easily be overlooked. The significance of the government's denials. One of the most significant components of the Aurora narrative is the consistent denial from the U.S. government regarding its existence. This denial, articulated by various officials and even former leaders of the Lockheed Skunk Works, raises an essential question: why perpetuate the myth if there is no truth to it? The government's stance against acknowledging the Aurora could be a strategic move aimed at protecting actual classified projects that may have similar capabilities. This dynamic underscores a larger theme of trust or distrust toward governmental disclosure, particularly in relation to military technology. In a world where information is power, the ability to control narratives surrounding advanced technology can be as essential as the technology itself. The government's dismissals may inadvertently fuel speculation, leading to a proliferation of conspiracy theories and a public thirst for the unknown, which could be a deliberate strategy to distract from more sensitive projects. The role of anecdotal evidence. Reports of sightings and anecdotal encounters with the Aurora add layers to the mythos surrounding the aircraft. However, the reliance on anecdotal evidence can sometimes obscure the broader implications of these claims. These accounts, while compelling, often lack the rigorous verification processes that one would expect from credible sources. The credibility of these sightings hinges on personal testimonies, which are notoriously difficult to corroborate. The significance of these narratives lies in their capacity to shape public perception and influence future military aviation discourse. They also speak to the human fascination with the unknown and the extraordinary, which can sometimes overshadow the actual technological advancements that are occurring within the military sphere. The allure of the Aurora serves as a reminder of the thin line between fact and fiction in the realm of defense technology. The historical context and technological progress. The origins of the Aurora legend in the mid-1980s provide critical context for understanding its evolution. The mention of black aircraft production in the U.S. budget, alongside the development of other advanced aircraft like the B-2 Spirit, indicates a time of significant technological advancement. Recognizing that the Aurora legend emerged during an era when the U.S. was exploring hypersonic and stealth technologies is crucial, as it reflects the military's ongoing quest to remain at the forefront of aviation and reconnaissance capabilities. Moreover, the discussion of hypersonic technology maturing in recent years is essential to consider. While the State Route 91 Aurora may not have ever existed in the way that enthusiasts hope, the trajectory of military aviation technology suggests that elements of what was envisioned may indeed be in development. The ongoing advancements in hypersonic flight, as noted in the report, demonstrate that even if the Aurora is a myth, the aspirations that fueled its creation may have led to real innovations in military aircraft. The impact of popular culture. The State Route 91 Aurora has permeated popular culture, influencing video games, films, and literature that explore military themes. This cultural representation can create a feedback loop where the myth becomes more robust through its depiction in various media. The infiltration of the Aurora narrative into popular culture can lead to misunderstandings about the nature of military technology and the complexities of its development. The significance of this cultural impact lies in its potential to shape public discourse on military capabilities and the ethical implications of advanced technologies. As the narrative surrounding the Aurora continues to evolve, it demonstrates how folklore can intertwine with technological realities, affecting how society perceives and engages with military innovation. Conclusion: the layers of the Aurora myth. The State Route 91 Aurora serves as a fascinating case study in the intersection of myth, technology, and government secrecy. While discussions often center around its purported capabilities or the thrill of sightings, the underlying themes of government denial, anecdotal evidence, historical context, and cultural impact are equally significant. These elements reflect broader societal concerns regarding trust in government, the allure of the unknown, and the rapid pace of technological advancement. Understanding these nuances allows for a more comprehensive view of the Aurora narrative, emphasizing the importance of critical thinking when engaging with claims about advanced military technology. The legacy of the Aurora, whether factual or fictitious, is a testament to humanity's fascination with flight and the lengths to which we will go to explore the unknown. 1. Hypersonic capabilities and technological advancements. The SR-91 Aurora is often described as a hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft with capabilities exceeding Mach 5, which is a significant leap in aviation technology. This point opens up discussions on the implications of hypersonic flight for military strategy, the technological hurdles that must be overcome to achieve such speeds, and how advancements in materials and propulsion systems contribute to the development of such aircraft. The stealth characteristics attributed to the Aurora add another layer, prompting analysis on how stealth technology has evolved and its impact on aerial reconnaissance and combat. 2. Historical context and origins of the Aurora legend. The origins of the Aurora narrative are deeply rooted in the U.S. military's secretive projects during the Cold War. Particularly the rumors that began circulating in the mid-1980s due to budget allocations for black aircraft production. This historical context invites an exploration of how military funding and secrecy can shape public perception and lead to speculation about advanced technologies. The discussions can include the socio-political climate of the era, the role of defense contractors, and how these elements have contributed to the mythology surrounding military aircraft. 3. Sighting reports and public fascination. The numerous anecdotal sightings of the Aurora, often linked to unusual contrails or sonic booms, reflect a broader phenomenon of public fascination with military secrets and unidentified flying objects, UFOs. This point can lead to an analysis of how such sightings contribute to the mythology of advanced military aircraft and the psychology behind conspiracy theories. The societal implications of these sightings, including the impact on public trust in government disclosures and the media's role in amplifying these narratives, are also worth discussing. 4. Government denials and the mythos of military secrecy. Despite consistent government denials regarding the existence of the Aurora, the persistence of the narrative suggests a complex interplay between secrecy and public speculation. This aspect can be examined in the context of how government transparency or lack thereof affects public trust and the tendency for conspiracy theories to flourish in environments shrouded in secrecy. The analysis could also include the implications of such secrecy for defense policy, intelligence operations, and the relationship between the military and civilian sectors, especially in terms of accountability and oversight. These points provide a foundation for in-depth analysis and discussion regarding the SR-91 Aurora, encompassing technological, historical, psychological, and socio-political dimensions. 1. The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The SR-71 Blackbird is one of the most famous reconnaissance aircraft ever built, designed and manufactured by Lockheed's Skunk Works division. It was developed in the 1960s and served until the late 1990s. Capable of speeds over Mach 3 and altitudes above 85,000 feet, the SR-71 was designed to evade surface-to-air missiles and interceptors through its speed and high-altitude flight profile. The aircraft's existence and capabilities were initially shrouded in secrecy, leading to numerous speculations and conspiracy theories about its technology and missions. Despite being retired, the SR-71 continues to influence modern aeronautics and remains a significant part of aviation history. 2. The North American X-15. The X-15 was a rocket-powered aircraft operated by NASA and the U.S. Air Force in the 1960s. It was part of a research program to explore hypersonic flight and the effects of high-speed travel on aircraft design and pilot performance. The X-15 reached speeds of over Mach 6 and altitudes exceeding 350,000 feet, contributing valuable data that would later inform the development of spacecraft and high-speed aircraft. The program also led to the first American astronaut flights and laid the groundwork for future space exploration. 3. Project Aurora. This refers to a supposed top-secret U.S. military program that includes the development of a hypersonic aircraft. The project is often linked to the rumored State Route 91 Aurora aircraft, which was said to be capable of speeds exceeding Mach 5. Reports about Project Aurora emerged in the 1980s and 1990s, fueled by sightings of unidentified aircraft and unexplained sonic booms. Despite numerous claims and speculation, the U.S. government has consistently denied the existence of such an aircraft, leading many to consider it a myth or urban legend. The intrigue surrounding Project Aurora mirrors the fascination with advanced military technology and the secrecy of military operations. Future outlook: the State Route 91 Aurora and hypersonic aviation. As we look ahead to the future of military aviation and the rumored State Route 91 Aurora, several predictions can be made based on current technological trends, geopolitical dynamics, and historical context. 1. Advancements in hypersonic technology. The State Route 91 Aurora, assumed to be a hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft, signifies a pivotal shift in military aviation. With advancements in materials science, propulsion systems, and aerodynamics, hypersonic flight speeds exceeding Mach 5 is becoming increasingly feasible. Companies and defense organizations are investing heavily in research and development driven by the need for faster, more agile aircraft capable of evading modern air defenses. Prediction: by the late 2020s we may see operational hypersonic aircraft similar to the State Route 91, capable of rapid reconnaissance missions and precision strikes, fundamentally changing the landscape of aerial warfare. 2. Increased stealth and evasion technologies. The stealth capabilities of the Aurora are rumored to include advanced designs that minimize radar cross-section and thermal signatures. With the rise of sophisticated radar systems and missile technology, the need for stealth in military operations is paramount. Prediction: as military technologies evolve, the focus will shift towards multi-layered stealth systems, including active camouflage and electronic warfare measures designed to confuse and mislead enemy systems. By the 2030s, we may witness the introduction of aircraft that can not only evade detection but also manipulate their signatures in real time. 3. The role of artificial intelligence and autonomy. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning into military aircraft is expected to revolutionize operations. Autonomous systems can enhance situational awareness, decision-making, and mission execution. The State Route 91 Aurora may serve as a testbed for these technologies. Prediction: by the 2030s, hypersonic aircraft like the Aurora could operate autonomously, executing complex missions with minimal human intervention. This shift will raise ethical and operational questions regarding the use of autonomous systems in combat. 4. Geopolitical implications. The unveiling of advanced military aircraft such as the State Route 91 Aurora can escalate tensions between global powers. Countries like China and Russia are also investing in hypersonic technologies, leading to an arms race in this domain. Prediction: the next decade will likely see increased military posturing and strategic alliances as nations strive to either develop their hypersonic capabilities or counteract those of their adversaries. This arms race could lead to new treaties or escalate existing conflicts. 5. Public perception and transparency. The government's historical denial of programs like the Aurora has contributed to a culture of skepticism regarding military transparency. As the public becomes more aware of advanced technologies, there may be increased demands for accountability and disclosure. Prediction: by the mid-2030s we may see a more open dialogue between military organizations and the public regarding advanced military technologies. This could lead to changes in policy regarding the development and deployment of such technologies, emphasizing ethical considerations and international norms. 6. Commercial applications of hypersonic technology. Hypersonic technology developed for military applications may eventually find its way into civilian use. This could include rapid global travel and advanced logistics solutions that leverage speed and efficiency. Prediction: by 2040, hypersonic flight may become a viable option for commercial airlines, drastically reducing flight times and reshaping global travel dynamics. This could create new markets and opportunities for economic growth. Conclusion: the State Route 91 Aurora, whether a myth or a secret reality, encapsulates the future of military aviation at the intersection of technology and strategy. As we venture into an era marked by hypersonic flight, advanced stealth capabilities, and the integration of AI, the implications for warfare, international relations, and society at large will be profound. The next 2 decades will be critical in determining how these technologies are developed, deployed, and perceived on the global stage.